Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, give reason in one or two sentences for the following. Orthonitrophenol is steam volatile, whereas paranitrophenol is not. Let's find out the answer. So there are two compounds. It is orthonitrophenol. So let's write down the structure. It is orthonitrophenol, okay, and paranitrophenol. This is the structure of paranitrophenol. So if you see the structure in case of orthonitrophenol, because there is a intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there. यहाँ पे intramolecular hydrogen bonding हो रहा है ना? And because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding होने की वजह से within the molecule between the two molecules of orthonitrophenol, suppose there are two molecules of orthonitrophenol है, तो दो molecule के बीच में hydrogen bonding possible नहीं हो पाता due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, क्योंकि hydrogen bonding जो हो रहा है within the molecule हो जा रहा है, molecule के अंदर ही हो जा रहा है. So the different molecule के बीच में जो force of attraction होना चाहिए, जो strong force of attraction होना चाहिए due to hydrogen bonding, वो यहाँ पे possible नहीं हो सकता. And different molecules are not attracted by strong force of attraction, therefore they are steam volatile, है ना. But in case of पैरानाइट्रोफिनॉल यहाँ पे इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं हो सकता है ड्यू टू दिस डिस्टेंस, और यहाँ पे क्या होता है, इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है. इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है. इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग जो होता है वो कैसे होता है, इफ यू सी द स्ट्रक्चर, टू डिफरेंट molecule will have the hydrogen bonding. यहाँ पे hydrogen bonding होगा. And if you see the hydrogen bonding is between two molecule. अगर ये दो molecules of paranitrophenol है, तो यहाँ पे the hydrogen bonding is there between the molecules. And this strong force of attraction की वजह से the molecules are strongly attracted and therefore they are not volatile, and this is the reason due to the molecular hydrogen bonding and low force of attraction between the molecules in orthonitrophenol, it is steam volatile, whereas paranitrophenol is not, whereas intermolecular hydrogen bonding is taking place. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.